Hi, my name is John Michael, and this is my assignment 2. First thing first, there's two parts of the assignment, part A and part B, and we're gonna go one by one. So first part A, is predict if the weather's conditions are valid to play outdoor tennis, right? And we're using sklearn, and we have to import tree for this. So first thing first, we have three features: weather, wind, temperature, and weather's gonna contain sunny, snowing, or rainy. Wind's going to contain no wind, windy, very windy. Temperature is going to contain high temperature, normal temperature, and low temperature. Um, so now each of these values, like sunny, snowy, and rainy, has their own integer values. So, it could calculate how much and like what number is what, right? So the ideal weather conditions that you do want to play outdoors, obviously when it's sunny, when there's no wind at all, so your ball's not going anywhere, and normal temp and kind of high temp. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Um, so we have three features, and then we're gonna have 20 samples for it to predict. So these are the 20 samples. These are the labels, right? Yes, no. Yes, you can. No, you can't, obviously. Um, but one of the samples are high temperature, sunny, windy. Yes, that's doable. You can still play tennis in that, right? Because it's okay. It may be really hot and it's really sunny, but it's still windy, so there's still breeze. Something that's no is low temperature, so it's cold. Rainy and it's very windy, so that's not um tennis. You can't play tennis during those times. Um, or high temperature, rainy, no wind. That's also a no. So that's pretty much it. We have a decision tree classifier and then CLS fit, right? We're gonna predict. Basically it's gonna learn the features and the labels, and then we're gonna try to predict if it understands one of these predict predictions, right? So first prediction is high temperature, snow and windy. We want that no. Normal temp, rainy, no wind. We also want that no. Low temperature, sunny, but no wind. That's yes, right? And we can see here that it's working. So it is able to predict from these. Part B is we're gonna create a CSV file that has COVID. Basically has information whether the person has COVID or not, right? So decide if a person has COVID from the COVID CSV. First thing first, we need to import pandas as PD so we can read a CSV file, and then import train test split so we can get only a certain amount of the data from a sklearn model selection. So we're gonna store these values into FET and then these values into lab, right? And then we're gonna read them using only those specific columns. Um, Once we've done that, we're gonna have train and test to split it and only get 30% of the data, so 0.3. Once we've done that, we can now start doing our predictions, right? So it's gonna be like this: temp, right? Any temperature higher than 37 is basically means you have a fever. There's two vaccines, right? 0, 1, and 2. So depending on that, you could have COVID or not. And exposed basically how many people you've been exposed to, right? So an example would be 38 temp, vaccine 0, exposed 0, then that's true. You do have COVID. 35, one vaccine, and you haven't been exposed, and false. You don't have COVID. And that's basically it. So now it does its predictions, right? And then 30% of the data, and then it also does the accuracy, right? And basically, it shows false, false, true, false, true, false, true, false, false, and then 88%. And that's pretty much it.